I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today's date is Monday the 13th of September. Time is approximately 8:45 a.m. So I'm going to go get some breakfast. I slept in kind of late, and almost 9 o'clock is kind of late for me, but I woke up early in the night and after like 2-3 hours of sleep, and it just wasn't enough, but I stayed up for a few hours as long as I could to try and get on the cycle of being here in Thailand. So I slept, went to bed I think about 5 a.m. and woke up about just after 8 a.m. Today's date, Monday the 13th of September. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty hungry right now, so I just finished taking a shower and got dressed. Now I want to go get some breakfast. Breakfast from like 6:30 to 10:30, so I have approximately just over an hour to get some breakfast before it closes, change over for lunch. I forget, where's breakfast again? Oh.
If you stay on that building, you can walk straight at the end, and then the restaurant will be left-hand side.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So the reception just gave me directions to breakfast. So let's see if we can find out where it is. Morning, how you doing?
Yourself?
I'm doing well. First day, day one of Phuket Sandbox.
Oh, day one.
Yes, day one.
So you arrived last night, right?
Yes.
Did you sleep well?
I woke up.
Comfortable?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. No problems. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you so much. Yep. Sorry, car.
May I have your room number, please?
2104. Yes. What you need from me?
Your signature.
Oh, my signature? Yeah.
One person.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cup. So for breakfast, I got omelet with some mixed vegetables, onion, peppers, cheese, some bacon and sausage and tomato. It's pretty standard for coming to Thailand and these style hotels or resorts and have freshly made omelets or eggs made to order basically, and also have a salad with some salmon and some tomato, carrots, and other vegetables, and 2 mini pancakes. So yeah, I'm enjoying my breakfast. It's kind of hot in here, so I might appear a little bit sweaty or shoveled, but definitely pretty busy this morning for a Monday. I think mostly tourists come like on the weekend, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are pretty busy, and Thursdays, Fridays things tend to slow down, but we'll see how it goes with this now being under this Phuket Sandbox initiative to bring back tourism to Thailand. Okay, so let me go on breakfast and see what the day holds. Thank you for watching so far.